Hello truck drivers, welcome to Trucker Food and Things. Today we're going to make a cucumber tomato salad. This makes about 8 servings. It has 150 calories and about 3 carbs per serving. You will need a mixing bowl, a spoon, a couple of measuring cups, as well as a knife and a cutting board. This is pretty easy. You're going to start with slicing up a cucumber however you want. I like mine fairly large chunks, so I strip it down and then cut it into chunks about the size of, I don't know, a quarter or so. Next, you'll want to dice up half of a green pepper. Again, just whatever size you prefer. What's really nice about this meal is you can add other vegetables or, lunch meat, whatever, just to make it whatever you really like. Sometimes they even add cheese just to get that extra fat content. Next, add a pint of cherry tomatoes. I just cut them in half and then add them to it. Obviously, you can use whatever tomatoes you choose. I just like cherry tomatoes. Next, open a can of garbanzo beans or chichi beans. Empty the water out and then just dump them right in. Word of caution for diabetics, this is where you're getting your 3 grams of carbs per serving. Now slice and dice half of a red onion and put that in as well. Next, add a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar. A word of warning though, it does contain 0.1% to 0.5% alcohol. What that means is just don't eat this before you're about to get on the road or while you're driving. Next, add half a teaspoon of lime juice or lemon juice. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed black peppers. Now add 1 tablespoon of sea salt. And 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Then add half a cup of olive oil, and that is it. And just mix it up. Now I like to set this in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours just to get it to set in all the juices. But it can be eaten right away. If you like this video, please like, comment, share. Feel free to follow us on Trucker Food and Things on Facebook and MeWe, or on my website, or Trucker Food on Twitter. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, feel free to subscribe.